In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Outlook email with your domain. Before we begin, make sure Microsoft Outlook is open on your computer and that you know the exact email address you want to add. Using your own domain email inside Outlook keeps your work organized and lets you manage messages, calendars, and contacts in one familiar place. Start in Outlook and go to the top left corner to select File. That opens the account area where you manage mailboxes. Click Add Account. A small window will appear asking for the email address you want to add. Type your domain-based email address carefully. Outlook uses this to look up the right settings automatically. When you're ready, click Connect to let Outlook test and apply the configuration. Outlook will determine the best connection method for your mailbox. Often you'll see choices like Microsoft Exchange, IMAP, or POP. In this example, we're using IMAP, which keeps your email synchronized across devices and leaves the original messages on the server. If IMAP is shown and it matches how your domain is set up, continue with that option. You may be prompted for your password or asked to approve a sign-in. Complete those prompts so Outlook can secure the connection to your account. Once Outlook confirms the connection, click Done. That's all there is to it. Your domain email is now added in Outlook. You'll notice a new mailbox in the folder list on the left with its own inbox, sent items, drafts, and more. The first sync may take a little time, especially if you have many messages or large attachments. You can keep working while Outlook brings everything in. Just leave the app open and connected to the internet. A few quick tips for a smooth setup. Keep your password handy, make sure your domain mailbox is active, and double-check the spelling of your email address if anything fails on the first try. If Outlook shows an advanced or detailed view and highlights IMAP, that's normal. Stick with IMAP if that's how your provider configured your domain. IMAP is ideal when you use multiple devices because it mirrors what's on the server, so your inbox looks the same everywhere. To recap, you opened Outlook, went to File, chose Add Account, entered your domain email, clicked Connect, confirmed IMAP when prompted, and clicked Done. Your account is ready to use. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.